Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here with lunch today. If you hear a lot of popping and stuff or barking, we've got a new roof being installed. We're also fostering puppies, but they're going to be adopted soon, so we're happy about that. I want to talk a little bit about our mantra here at Let's Meal Prep, and that is simple and flavorful. We're always looking for simple recipes, and we're definitely looking for flavorful recipes, if not really exciting recipes, because chances are we're going to eat these meals maybe 2-3 times a week. So we want to be excited about what we're eating. Definitely don't want to eat bland food. Today I've got a really good dish that makes things exciting. We always look for different cuisines, you know, American cuisine, Asian. I got Indian cuisine right here with shrimp curry. Real easy to make. We just saute the peppers and onions in the pan, pull those out, and then we start making a sauce. Add the shrimp in, add the veggies in, let it come to temperature, make it with some rice. We got basmati rice here, a little slice of lemon on there as well, topped with fresh basil. Beautiful dish, guys. I'm about to heat this up and enjoy it myself. It's coming out in the app this week. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you are finding our recipes simple and flavorful. You can always suggest a recipe in our prep talk section. All right, guys, take care and have a great week.